It's fall, which means that apples, pumpkins, brown sugar, brown butter, all of the great fall flavors a lot of us get a lot of coziness from are coming into season. But the problem that I have is that people often don't adjust the acidity levels of some of these dishes. So they get overwhelmingly sweet, it's sometimes monotonous and just rich, fatty, salty, and the acidity is usually missing. For my food nerds out there, Modernist Cuisine actually has a whole section where they talk about best bets for lowering pH. Because if I pick up this red wine vinegar and smell it, it hits me right in the nose. Same thing with this vinegar powder. Both of these are acetic acid. You get a little bit of the powder right in your nose and it really hits you. If I were to take this lemon, for example, and smell this, that acidity doesn't hit me straight in the nose. This hits me more in the cheeks, underneath the tongue, when I get this citric acid. I took a container of yogurt that I just have here. It had some whey sitting here. This is lactic acid. This also smells a little bit acidic, but it has like that milky, lactic, almost sweetness to it. You can start off lactic fermentations with something like whey. And the last one, this is one of my favorites. This is malic acid. So we take raw, unfiltered apple juice, reduce it until it comes to this consistency. Malic acid stimulates saliva production. So when you eat this, it's incredibly sour and you'll immediately start to feel under your tongue producing more saliva, which is your mouth watering. Be sure to check out part 2 of this video. It's already live where we talk about all the ways to find these lowering pH methods.